Good morning, ladies. Fit check. I look good. I look good. Family approved. Very run puppy. Outfit approved. Let me make some oatmeal. And I made coffee. And I thrifted the pants, the little boy pants. I thrifted this, and I got unit 5s from this. That's why I did the unit top. And yeah, and I'm using my Stretcher Cat Alice in Wonderland because that's my favorite movie, not the People one. Hated that one. Love you, Johnny Depp. Cartoons, really. I was dropped on my head as a baby. So cartoons speak to me. I still have a bump. Thanks, Granddad, for dropping me. That's okay. I feel like I'm more creative. I'm making some water. We're making water. Yeah, that's what we're making. Oatmeal. And I have really bad cramps. What's that? It's like really odd appearance. And like cramps up. My stepdad's staring at me. Anyways, it's Easter, Merry Easter. I don't know what I'm on. A banana. I'm just high on life. Ha, da, 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 da. So anyways, I was thinking Total Drama Island. I feel like that should be a real thing. I don't know. Ew, there's like chunks in my banana. I'm looking for a Dunkin'. I like Dunkin' the most. I feel I always resonated with Gwen. Endgame, Gwen, Duncan, Endgame, Lindsay and Owen, Endgame, Heather and Loneliness, because she was a real Heather from that old movie. She was mean. I have to make brownies. What's Riley wants to make brownies? I'll make brownies. I love baking. You can make preheat down to 325. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Okay, well I'm making brownies. I have a really bad thing with odd numbers. She's spicy. Oven. I mean microwave. Now I'm just gonna put. No, my banana fell. My second roll. Yeah. Sexy. So sexy. It's busted. Also, I don't feel like my outfit got approved enough, so I'm just gonna have another fit check. My dad, my sister told me my pants were too short, and I was like, yeah, because they're little boy pants, but yummy, yummy in my tummy. Oh, she's so cute. Yummy, yum yum. We're gonna make some brownies. Yeah. But for the familia. Since they're coming up first. Oh, I don't know, but that's a hazard. Do not give that to little children. So, oh, there's chicken bangs stuck in my belly. Okay. Hello, sibling. Yeah, Rob, Peter, Public, what's up, friend? What's up, Zach? Egg and my vegetable oil and yeah. What we do, bestie. Look at me. Place water and oil and egg. Okay. Water. Yes. Healthy water. Okay. And blend. Okay. Yummy. So yummy. Oh, shiitake. Now we're gonna mix. Oops. Oh, I got all on my sleeve. So good. Yummy. Yum. Sugary, chocolatey, disgusting. Red, do we have in con? Yeah. Make her extra greasy. Not extra. I know. Whoa, Nelly. I got for Easter. Isn't she so cute? I like turtles. I used to have a turtle. It died. I named it Sesame Seed because it was as small as a sesame seed. And it came in an ice cube. And I had to thaw it out because I bought it online. Which I don't recommend because that thing died in like a week. Anyways, I'm greasing a pan. Y'all can't see the pan, but pan, not sponsored pan. Who even makes pan? I don't know, but they be rich. Who knew you could get rich off a pan grease? So yummy. Wanna fry so we can chill. Cat! You dirty cat. Child. A hassle with my cat. No, I hope I don't fall. I ain't a chick tummy chick. This chick tummy chick. Ooh! Good enough for me. We're gonna put it in the oven. 39 to 43 minutes. Here we go. Okay, try not to burn. No. Shit. Talkie. Okay. Hey besties. We're gonna have a vegan taste test.
Or we're just gonna go right.
Yes, just break it. Okay. Do I go in? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Why is it so soft than
really
other
good.
donuts?
Really good.
Way better than actual donut.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so soft and like.
It's like cake moist.
Those are really good
Way
donuts.
better than actual donut. Bro.
I'm gonna enjoy this.
Kayla will dog those.
Cheers.
Homemade bread. Let me smell it. Oh, a cinnamon raisin.
Whoa, Joseph.
That must be good. And do you want to say hi to my YouTube channel?
To who?
My YouTube.
It's on. Hi to what?
My YouTube.
Oh, Jesus. I'm not going to be on Facebook, am
YouTube.
I? What the hell is you? I have heard of it. I'm not sure what it is.
It's a video thing.
Well, yeah. Hi.
Look how adorable that cake is. Oh my god. They're talking about Uncrustables, but this is the dessert getup. I could only eat the donut.
You can't sit with us.
Okay, I'm beanie boo hunting.
Look at it.
Wait, can we like hunt them all down?
Yeah.
Let's do it. No, bitch, not long.
Yeah, Toy Story.
I literally go like tomorrow. Yeah, I got one. Another cow.
Look at this, February.
That is so adorable.
There's 2 of them if you want one.
There's another one of the cow? There's 2 cows?
Yeah, there are. Oh wait, the cows. There's this. What is this?
Oh, there's one of that in here. Is there a cow though? Oh, can I have a mister? Can I have a clubby?
Clubby the second. It's an Easter one. Oh my god, it's got an egg. That is
That is so iconic. Stasha.
Stacy with the Honda. Oh, there's 2.
Stacy with the Honda.
I got an Earth Day one.
It's a perfect
Wait, the lighting's kind of bad this way.
It's a perfect day. Like, why do you have all these beanie boos? It's none of your business.
Alright, so these are all yours.
Okay.
Here,
Someone was throwing all of these away, so we took them all.
You can also have another dice thing if you want it.
Yeah, is that it? You see. No, my dad used to love dinos.
Right, he had the dinosaur
Yeah.
world. It's a bug. His name is Slayer.
Okay, Leia.
Never really been into like Beanie Days before, but these are kind of
Oh.
This one's name is Periwinkle from 2000. This is like a vintage, girl. I like literally saw all these boxes and I was like, I'm taking all of them because I missed the Webkins. I was so mad.
Wallace. I like Wallace. He's cute.
I like this one. Can we open that right now?
Yeah, you do it.
Wait, go ahead.
It's yours. No, you open
There's
it.
probably more. Here, look, there's another one.
I love
They're like
stickers.
these little like jewel thingies, like toy thingies.
Oh my god, it's all my favorite colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an
So
online game.
cool.
It's Toy Story edition. That's kind of iconic. Cool. In my trunk.
No.
There's 2 owls if you want one.
Child. Yeah, I want it.
You child. I like the red one.
Oh, look at
Sizzle.
this
Even
is
sizzle.
sick.
Oh, that is sick.
Iggy.
What's
Okay,
albino?
Iggy Azalea.
The other. 2000 holiday.
Princess.
I think there's 2 of her. So
Really?
yeah, you can have
Oh,
one.
there's another Iggy.
There's another one of these too.
Oh yeah.
I like this one. That is so cool. Oh my god. His name is Spooky. That's literally like random things.
He
Like
could have
a toy store. He threw away all of them. So I went in with my friend, right?
I don't think there's another Violet.
I went in with my a Dice Master card.
I literally think these are all the same. They all.
USA Open 2005.
Oh, look at the bee.
God. Look, it's a cardinal. That one looks expensive.
There was 2 robins, I swear.
You swear it?
Yeah, there was one in this
Cross our heart,
one.
hope to die.
I cross my heart to die. Stick a needle in my eye.
It's called the Four Seasons Hotel.
Oh, this is 2 of these. This is a mizzle. She's a cheerleader.
This one's cute.
I'm taking one of him.
I used to love this one. This one used to be my
ghost?
favorite when I was a kid. Yeah. Don't say it like that. His name was Honks.
Bye. Why is this one so dusty?
I know, right? They're so
Oh my god,
It's a
it's a
koala.
camel.
That one's expensive. Feta? Oh, FIFA. The way that I just so confidently read that as feta.
Feta?
Ooh, this one's Korea, Japan.
Yeah. This alligator.
It's not an alligator.
There's so an alligator.
Swampy. Oh my god, yeah, it is.
Is it the Loch Ness?
An iguana looking thing. Like its eyes. Koala. His name is Mel. Is that another one?
No, this is a
Oh,
different
it's all dirty. It's got like lipstick on it.
Yes, there's 2
another
of them.
koala if you want it. Koala.
There was another pumpkin.
There was, like this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here.
Yeah.
I'll
This
shoot
one, oh my god, his arms move. Or was that just
Yeah,
weirdly
they're
on
on the
this
hinges.
one? Okay.
that one. Koala, do you want it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Dragonfly?
There's another Izzy. That's so cute. Is there another one?
No.
Oh no.
There's 2
There was
bees.
2 of these.
Okay, I want
Who's
that
theirs?
then.
Here's a bee. Did you want one?
Yeah, I do want a bee. There's only one I hit. Didn't even go through that?
No. I
Oh
just
my
started stacking them
god.
up. Are those all other ones?
Yeah, I went through
Okay,
that
so let's
one.
throw these in there. You were like, wait, then you like gas.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
she broke her shit.
Wait, I'm just gonna start my favorite speech the party. Swagger.
What the?
Look at how cute.
Oh, another one of those.
Okay,
Wait, where is it?
confirm.
Yep.
Okay, weird. The end.
Oh, there's 2 of those. Did I?
Oh, there's like 10 pandas.
You want a panda?
Yeah, panda. You.
Here, there's 2 of these.
Yay! If there's not an end, I want an end. I want. Look at him. He has a tie.
Oh my god, that's so cute. There's 10 of these.
Yeah.
No. No.
No.
Nope.
No. 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 No.
No. No.
No.
You don't see it?
No.
That's the only one.
Yeah.
The T.
Oh.
The heartbreak.
Oh, it's okay. I'm getting a black
I know, right?
kitty.
You literally have a box full of them.
Is there a kitty?
Yes, it's in there.
Yes.
Okay.
Aww.
Take him.
I'm only gonna break you.
Shut up.
Whoa. To ludicrous, to Tyler.
Yeah, I'm gonna break your heart, shatter it.
Bitch, I'm a ghost.
How am I so
Oh wait, I got it. Can I?
dirty, boy? Are you getting this on footage?
Only
Okay.
on crutches.
Okay, and we'll put them in like that.
Chicago. It's a city that's exciting. It's a city that's mining. It's a city that's suffocate. Black Webkins.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah. And I can play Webkins now. And his name is. Enjoy. I hope y'all enjoyed. XOXO.